Hey kids, are you ready today? We've got sounds and songs to play. Jump right in, don't be shy. Let the alphabet fly high.
A is for angel,
Shining bright.
B is for boat,
Sail left to right.
C is for chicken,
Cluck, cluck, cheer.
D is for dragon.
Roar, we hear. E is for emu, tall and fast.
F is for fireman, first to last.
G is for gift, shake, shake, surprise.
H is for hippo, big round eyes. Whoa, sing it out, letters rocking, no doubt. Feel the beat, let it roll. A to Z, heart and soul. I is for ice cream,
Cold and sweet,
J is for jigsaw,
piece by piece.
K is for kayak,
Splash and glide,
L is for lighthouse.
guide our ride. M is for mango, juicy bite.
N is for ninja, quick and light.
O is for opossum, funny face.
P is for piano, set the pace. Whoa, sing it out, letters rocking, no doubt. Feel the beat, let it roll. A to Z, heart and soul.
Q is for quarry, stone and ground. R is for river, flowing sound. S is for sweet, sugar grin. T is for teddy,
Cuddling.
U is for uniform, neat and cool.
V is for violin, sing and rule.
W is for wheel, spin around. X is for X-ray, look inside found. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zoo, animals around. We learned our letters, A to Z. Great job, kids. Sing proud with me.